Guessed it right, we are building another P-ZEE. But yeah, I hope you guys bear with this footage because actually the one I created before this is corrupted. But anyways, in this build we are having a 1400 gaming PC build using a B450 motherboard Carbon Pro from MSI, and we are using a Ryzen 5 3600X. Now let's align the gold dots, make sure it's secure, wiggle it a little bit, make sure it fits perfectly. Now we close it. Now let's install our M.2 SSD. We are actually using an XPG 1TB M.2 NVMe SSD, which is right here. Yep. It actually comes with a heatsink, but apparently our motherboard already have one, and we are using it instead. Let's take this thing out of the plastic case and slide it in with an angle. Hold it in place. Let's put the shield on top. And let's bolt it in like Voltus 5. Let's bolt in. Anyways, now let's put the RAM in. As you can see, I already put one in, and now let's just put the other one in. For our GPU, we are using an Asus Strix 2060 Super as the client requested. He just really loves the looks of the Asus, and that's the reason why we went with it. Now this is the part where I actually lost all the footage because of the file being corrupted. But let me just mention all the parts included in this build. For our CPU, we are using a Ryzen 5 3600X, GPU as Asus Strix 2060 Super, motherboard we are using an MSI B450 Carbon Pro Wi-Fi version. The RAM is the G-Skill Trident 16GB 3600 MHz. Our storage is the XPG ADATA 1TB plus a 2TB hard drive Barracuda, which is not included in the footage as well. For our power supply, we are using a Deepcool DA600 and case Deepcool Matrix 70, and we also have a Watercooling AIO, which is the Gambia's 280mm brad. And now this is the quick b-roll that is left with our footage. I hope you guys enjoy, and thank you so much for watching. Peace.
I think you only love me cause I'm poppin'. This a layup, this a rebound, then it's robbing. Tyson with the fade, not the hair, my hands rocking. When I link with ballpoint, you know it's knocking. I'm not the same. Thinking money made me change, nothing else to blame. Bougie stuck up in my way, singing Gucci gang. Gucci gang, think I'm Gucci Mane. I'm just playing in the cut, I got my Vans on. I'm not fucking jockey, don't put my mans on. Always greedy since the day I got my first safe. 5'7", but I'm 6'8" when I stand on the money pals. Need a money counter.